Little heads up on this, Steph, because I gave everybody a little sneaky peek.
Yes, you did.
Okay,
I saw
we
that.
have less than 500 each if you're picking up the cat or the dog in this adorable collection, please. And you know I'm a dog lover.
Yes, I know. I know. Look at this. My best friend. I could give this one to you, huh? Isn't that cute? Isn't that adorable? Now, what do you want to do? Demo first, or do you want to see what we're getting?
Show them what's in the kit.
Okay, let's look at the kit. So you get to pick cat or dog. And most of us need both, I mean, right? But what you're gonna get is these are folded. So these are shaped cards. That's what this is gonna look like when you're done. Now, here's the kitty cat with the dies, all the dice here. You're gonna get a photopolymer stamp set, 4x6 photopolymer. If you know, you know, these are photopolymer clear stamps and 4x6 on each one. They fit on the cute little bone and things like that. You're getting adhesive sheets for both sets. And you're getting a handy dandy postcard with information and ideas on the back for the, getting some cute design ideas.
Love it.
Now, what is a folded? A folded is a shaped card. It is an A2 size card. So when you die cut this, I'm going to show you a special technique. When you die cut this, it is going to fit in a standard envelope. So A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I dreamed those numbers. Okay. So how do we do this?
And by the way, she's the queen of the folded.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yes.
I mean, this is iconic in your life.
Yeah, it is. It really is. What you're going to do is you're going to fold your cardstock in half, right? That's the hardest part. I promise you this is the hardest part. Then on the biggest die, on the back, and I don't even know if the camera's gonna be able to get it, but in real life, you will be able to see this. It says place fold here. So, oh, look at that. We can almost look at that. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Place fold here. If you want it at the top, if you want it on the side, you're gonna turn it right here and it says place fold here. We're gonna do ours at the top. Here's my fold. And I'm gonna go like right about there and I'm gonna run this through my die cut machine. Any die cut machine, 6 inches or more, right? Now, that's gonna give you this. Now, that looks great, right? But the head looks a little funny, right? What we're gonna do is die cut it normally and adhere that on top. So let's adhere that on top really quick. And we're just gonna get some adhesive. Whoops, we're gonna lay that right on top. And then we're gonna run through the die that looks like this. This is gonna have all the extra little pieces on it. Now, I give you extra feet dies and extra eye dies because, that way you don't have to color it in or anything like that and you can die cut it. But when you're done decorating it and die cutting it, look at that.
Oh, it's so cute.
Look at that stamp. Isn't that cute? Treat to know you, like great to know you. And look at the little collar on him. Oh my goodness, and it's pink. So then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna add adhesive to this once you've decorated it as little or as much as you want. And then you're just gonna drop that right on top. Now, keep in mind, A2 in size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, standard card size. That's gonna go in my best friend. Look at that, treat to know you. And these stamps are the perfect size for these card bases.
Well, and I love the font style too.
Yes.
Like, look how fun,
Very
fun the font is. Yeah, it's playful, it's fun, it's easy to read. And they're not little teeny stamps. It makes me crazy because if you get little teeny stamp, you got to have a whole lot of stuff you got to do. This really covers the space for you.
It does.
And again, think of all the things you could use them for. Hello's easy. Look at that, my best friend. Like, even if you're not going to do it all the time with the dogs or the cats, you still can use the stamps for a lot of things.
Absolutely. Like my best friend, you could use that on anything, right? So here it is on, here's the cute little doggy on a slim line. So you don't have to stick to the A2 size. Also, perfect for scrapbook pages. Like decorating your scrapbook pages, absolutely. So here, let's look at some examples. Oh, this flower border coming up soon, my friends. Just stay tuned, it's there. But look how cute that puppy dog is with that. Isn't that cute? Yeah. Here is that kitty cat with the little fishies. Isn't that adorable?
The glitter fish.
I know, look at that. I just love that. Look at the little eye on the fish. He looks so funny. Or put that puppy dog in the cute little pocket full of woof. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? There we go. Ooh, look at this one with the hearts around it. Isn't that adorable? With oh my goodness gracious. Oh, and there's a kitty cat. So notice, Suzanne, this is not the cat with the platter and all that enchilada, right? It is completely different. We use the cute little fish stamp that comes in the set. And now this one says meow, and it's just decorating a regular card. You're not using the whole entire card base every single time. Oh, or put a kitty cat in a pool. Now, I don't know any cat that wants to go in a pool, but look how cute that is. Perfect for 4th of July or anything like that.
It's really cute.
Yes. Now,
wait, Steph, sorry, guys. Okay, I love it. These are sold equally. I have less than 400 in each, everybody. You can see we've sold almost 300. Do not miss out. Is that a shaker?
Yes, this is a card front shaker. Look at that. Look at that. I love to do these.
So cute.
I know. Isn't that fun?
That's
Treat
adorable.
to know you. And here on our stand-up card. Now, again, this card base coming soon, my friends. Give me a couple more minutes. We'll get there. Oh, and then also look at this one. I love this one. Hello. Look at that kitty cat.
Adorable.
Oh, don't you love that card base? Oh, wouldn't you love to see that card base on HSN?
Yes.
A couple more minutes.
Couple more minutes.
I just like to tease. Oh, there's my cute little Butter kitty, my daughter's cat, Butter. There you go. Here's another one. Look at the dog. I mean, seriously.
Look at that.
I know. Potty time.
That's so
I love
cute.
it. Oh, and here we go. Hello, my friend. Look at how cute these little guys are. And you get to decorate these any which way. Oh, but totally different. Here we go.
Oh, I love that.
Look at that. Completely different. So we can do a bone version.
I love the
or
idea
just
of a puppy sympathy card.
Absolutely. Yep, that's what this one is. Yes. So sorry for your loss with the rainbow bridge. Or, oh goodness gracious, look at this one. A pink glitter collar. Now, this designer took the entire card front, instead of making it a shaped card, took a decal edge A2 card base and just put it right on top.
That's cute.
So we have lots of different ways that you can do these. But then you have the way you can just do it normally. I know. And just looking at that little fish, it just cracks me up.
How can you not get that card as the recipient and make your day?
No, seriously. If you gave a card like this to somebody, they're going to keep it forever.
And they're going to call you.
They're going to say, oh my gosh, you made my dog.
Yes.
Right? So I'm going to make you a little white one. I'd probably put 2 little white dogs on there, right?
I do have 2 little white dogs.
Yes, so I would put 2 little white dogs on there for you.
I would just flip my noodles. Someone made something that personalized.
That personal. You're not going to find that anywhere else, but something that you're going to hand make for someone. Forever friends. Look at that. Oh, here's a cute one. Stay positive. Oh,
okay.
Isn't that totally sweet? Oh, here's the kitty version of the rainbow one. Oh gosh, look at how cute that is. Sending love just because. Look how cute that is.
So adorable.
So these are gonna. Okay, this is a cute one. Look at this one in the fishbowl.
That is so cute.
Oh my goodness gracious. Isn't that adorable? I love that. And again, easy peasy. You're just going to fold your cardstock. The die does everything for you. Look at that on a 5x7 card.
Okay,
so
guys,
all different
we're
sizes.
down to what, 250 in each?
Oh.
So yeah, really limited.
Yeah.
We got a ton of you waiting. I'm sorry? Oh yeah, a lot of you are picking up both because you like dogs. And who doesn't have dogs and cat lovers? Like my one friend Mona, she lives, she doesn't have any children, so she just lives for her dog. She has 3 of them. Like I get her everything related to dogs.
And if you don't have a cat, it's not about you. It's about the person you're giving it to.
Right,
so
exactly.
you have
Think
friends
of
that have
people.
cats.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, so remember, you're getting everything. You're getting the stamps, you're getting the dies to make the cards automatically. You get the adhesive, which is really great to go with it, and the instructions are awesome. All right, guys, keep ready, keep going.
Yeah, let's
Come
keep
on,
going.
everybody. We will keep
on
you updated when
moving.
that is